Hi, my name is Tucker Daigle at Rowe and Westbrook, and I'm bringing you the tech tip of the week. This week, our tip is about air filters and the importance of replacing them. There are many different things that can affect the life of your air filter. Conditions you drive in, leaves, acorns, animals, rodents, they can all get into your air box and clog up your air filter. It's a good idea to get your air filter checked every 5,000 miles or every oil change and replace it every 15,000 miles to 30,000 miles depending on the driving conditions that you drive in. When replacing your air filter, OE parts are always the best choice due to fitment and sealing to ensure all the dirt stays out and the fresh air stays in. Your air filter replacement should also include cleaning the air box and ensuring that the airflow to your air cleaner is clean and free of debris. Here at Rowe, every multi-point inspection that we do on your vehicle, we inspect the air filter. We'll check it, inspect for it being dirty, and replace if needed. We'll also clean out your air box and ensure that you're ready to go down the road.